This is all I need to climb the trees that I plan to hunt out of this fall. This is the Halfline Mobile System. And this is the Halfline rope. In this demo, I'm going to show you how you get your rope up into the tree using a preset paracord loop. Check it out.
1, 2, 3, y...
Okay, let's say you've done some preseason or postseason scouting and you found a great area and you've actually picked out maybe one or several trees that you actually want to hunt out of. For us SRT or DRT rope guys, what we're going to do is we're going to throw a throw ball up into the tree and install a preset paracord loop. So when we come back, we can use that to get our climbing line up into the tree. Same thing with the Halfline Mobile System, but now we only need half the line, half the rope. Because on the climbing line itself with the Halfline, we've got two little hacks installed to the rope. We've got our tag end that has a sewn-in eye, and on the eye end of our climbing rope, we've got this little clip. Now, because we got preset paracord loops, we can use that to extend this rope and then actually girth hitch only this much to the tree. Here's how you do it. On your preset paracord loop, you're gonna need a clip of some sort on that. So I get to my tree, I'm gonna climb it, I unclip, I take out my Halfline, and on the tag end, I'm gonna take that and I'm going to clip that in to the clip that's on the paracord. And then on the other end that has the eye, I'm going to take the other end of the paracord that has a little loop tied into that, and it's going to go through the eye of my Halfline and then clip in to the clip that's always attached to my Halfline. And now effectively what I've done is I've extended this rope and also created a point from on the ground. I can now pull all of the paracord through the loop, and what you're going to notice is that it's pulling up the other end of my Halfline, climbing line, and it's going to go up and over, and watch as it girth hitches. So what it's going to do is going to feed through the eye of my climbing rope, and then I just keep pulling that, and it's going to girth hitch the limb or the tree. So now I can unclip and I can climb up my climbing rope, and once I get to climbing height or hunting height, I take all my rope and I put it in my pack and I hunt. And then at the end of my hunt, I'm going to drop those ropes back down, climb down, and at the same time of me retrieving my line, I'm also reinstalling my preset paracord loop. It's pretty slick. So I'm going to clip the paracord back into the tag end of my climbing line. And because this is always attached to my Halfline, I can use this to pull out my rope from the ground, and at the same time, it's reinstalling my paracord loop. And it gets to this point, so I just unclip both, unclip, unclip, and then reclip. And then that's it. I'll just wrap this up and throw it back into my pouch. If you want to pick up a Halfline Mobile System, you can head over to NewYorkSaddleHunter.com, and they have the whole thing as a kit. You get the F4 device, you get a hand ascender, and the rope with the additions installed on it already, so it's just ready to go. And if you don't already, pick up some paracord, get like a 1,000-foot spool, and you can get 16 to 20 different trees set up with 1,000 feet. Essentially, the more loops you put up in trees, the more cost effective this becomes. I have over 50, maybe 60 different setups in 3 different states. And now to climb those trees, all I need is this. Personally, I'm just really excited about this system because I'm coming from being a DRT guy where I would use, 75 feet of predator rope to climb up into my trees. And now I've cut down the weight and the bulk of this down to something that just fits in my pouch. I hardly know that it's on me. Like, I'm wearing everything I need. I got everything I need to climb on this pouch, and then everything I need to get comfortable in my tree in this pouch, which is a tether and, a gear holder and some hero clips. That's it. This is just really, really appealing to me, and maybe it is to you too. So you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm Andrew Elder with Higher Elevations and the New York Saddle Hunter. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tips, techniques, and tricks with the Halfline Mobile System. Climb safe.